Hello, you're welcome to Bongo Technology, and my name is Danelli. Okay, today we'll be teaching you on how to set up a blog without you having any prior knowledge on website design. Before we go on to teach you on how to design a blog, I would first of all like to discuss or to tell you what the word blog stands for. You know, blog is just like a website. Let's just say a mini website where you published content, post pictures, and it goes right straight to the World Wide Web, which is the internet. And to be able to do that, there are platforms that you can use to publish or to create a blog. Remember, blogs are free. There are free platforms and they don't require you to have knowledge regarding website building. So let's talk about the two most popular platforms, which is the Blogspot, which belongs to Google Incorporation, and the WordPress blog, which belongs to WordPress, or you can just say WP. So you see, in today's world, where internet has overtaken every aspect of the human daily lives and activity, owning a blog is a way for you to reach out to people. Not just reaching out to them, you monetize it as well. Yeah, you can have a blog and make money from it. You can have a blog and you will be paid from having a blog. Today we'll be talking about WordPress. In my screen here, as you can see, we have WordPress. You can easily log on to www.wordpress.com for you to be where I am right now. So we have WordPress, and let me just take you through. This is how WordPress looks like. You see, but WordPress have a free and a paid version. That is, if you want to get a website, WordPress also serves as a hoster. They host domains and they offer different services. So let's just go through these are the services that WordPress offer for personal websites. They have the personal for personal use, which goes for $4 per month. They have the premium, they have the business, and they have the e-commerce. Okay, so this will be a topic for another day on Bongo News. So that's why you need to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button to do so. Kindly hit on the subscribe button to do so. Now let's go on to discuss about WordPress. Before we go on to do that, let's talk on the benefits. The benefits of having your blog on WordPress. Yeah, apart from the fact that WordPress doesn't require you to have any knowledge on website building, WordPress, one of the benefits of having a blog on WordPress is that WordPress is actually easy to use. WordPress is very easy. It is very easy to use, and WordPress has been around since 2003, and it is the most popular blogging software on the internet. Over the last few years, WordPress has also become the content managing software of choice for non-blogging websites. So WordPress is very easy to use, and it has an intuitive interface. It can add new pages, blog posts, images on a regular basis. It's just like a breeze, and you're done. Just that. Yeah, apart from WordPress being easy to use, WordPress can help you. You can manage your website from any computer, any devices, be it mobile phone, iPads, your computer set. You can easily, on the go, manage your WordPress. And WordPress is very friendly. The login, the interface, the user interface is so unique that everything you can, on looking at it, you are already there. You can easily set up your blog. So apart from that, the third point why you should use WordPress is that WordPress doesn't require any HTML editing or FTP software required. Yeah, WordPress is a self-contained system, and it does not require any HTML editing software, such as you don't need to use software such as Adobe Contribute or Dreamweaver. You can create a new page or blog post format text, upload images and edit them, upload documents, video files, image gallery, etc. You can do all of this without the need for additional HTML. Yeah, HTML, that is hypertext markup language. You don't need that, or you don't need any FTP software. WordPress is just simple. You begin, you go, and you are ready. So if you have not yet been thinking on getting your blog set on WordPress, I think you should start going that. And the fourth point is that search engine love WordPress sites, or that one is of a true. The code, because why is it that they love WordPress site? Because the code behind WordPress is very clean and simple, making it easy for search engine to read and index a site's content. Have you heard of Google Web Crawler? Yeah, it's very easy for Google Web Crawler to handle it and read its content and produce it. And apart from that, it is also SEO friendly, like search engine optimization friendly. In addition, each page, post, and image can have its own meta tag keywords. Like I said, it is very good for SEO, because this meta tag keywords is what this web crawler is going to use. Then apart from having its own meta tag keywords, it has description and title, and it can be optimized for specific keywords, allowing for every precise search engine optimization. You can also use tags to further enhance your search engine optimization efforts. So apart from that, the fifth point is that you have control of your site. Who doesn't want to be a boss of his own business? WhatsApp give you this opportunity, this platform for you to just come out and just be your boss. No more waiting for it, no more waiting for web designers to make simple updates on your site. You know, gone are the days that whenever you want to update your site, you have to call a web designer to, or like, man, come up here and help me set up this stuff. But no, WordPress is giving you control over your site. With WordPress, you have control over nearly every aspect of your site and can make easily without anyone's help. It will recommend updates for you, and you click to get them updated, and that's it. The number 6 point is that the design of your website is 100% customizable. Read that. I said it is 100% customizable. What do I mean? I mean you can easily design it, customize WordPress, which acts as the engine to your website. The look and feel on your site can be 100% customized to your brand, and you can shine through your site and provide a unique experience to your visitors. Yeah, whatever taste, color, whatever you want to be on that your dream site, and you've been looking for a way to get this kind of dream site, WordPress gives you the leverage to customize your blog to your taste. So apart from that, WordPress as a blog is built in and ready to go. You are going to see it. You just need some setting, editing to make it, just like a drag and drop. You understand? Just like you drag and you drop, and you are good to go. So WordPress is a drag and is a built-in and ready to go blog. Say, okay, why is it a built-in, or why is it a ready to go blog? You know, since WordPress was originally created as a blogging platform, like I said in 2003, blogging capabilities are built in and are easy to integrate. That is, if you desire. Setting up RSS or email subscription to your blog, commenting capabilities, and automatically adding the most recent blog post to other pages of your site, like your homepage, for example, are also very simple to set up, and to help extend your company's reach and make your site more dynamic and interactive. Yeah. Oh well, I don't know, but WordPress to me seems like the most easy to set up blog that you need to get going in the internet. So apart from that, let's head on to the 8th point that I have with me today. I'm trying to that I will be discussing is that WordPress, they extend the functionality of your site with plugins, like for a free blog, giving you plugins. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, imagine you have a personal website that you paid for and your web designer is asking you for. So then imagine then your web designer says that you need to buy extra plugins, whereas there are some free plugins that you can actually get without spending much. So with this free WordPress blog, there are some plugins that it comes with that you don't necessarily need to stress your head. So another point is that your site can grow as your business grows. Yeah, you know that the more you keep on blogging, the more you keep on promoting your brand, the more you keep on meeting new customers. So another thing is that another point, I think the point I'm going to end at is that WordPress blog can have multiple users. Yes, you can have as many admin as you want on your blog, all just for free. So now let's take it this way, that you really want to start up your blogging business, but you don't know a platform where you can use to achieve that. So I'm just going to walk you through the basic settings on how to come up with a professional blog. So let's get to it. Let's click on get started. Okay, so now this is it. You will need to sign in with your username and your password. You create an account, okay, or you can continue with Google. So let me just continue with Google since my account is already on my device. So here we go, and I'm in. So let's say I'm trying to like create a blog that should reflect what I'm into. Okay, let's say I want to go with Bongo Technology. No, okay, let's go with this one. I am Danelli .wordpress.com. See, you can select, or you go for this free, but comes this free has different numbers. So no, I don't like that username. So let me see, Danelli Digital dot. Okay, let's see. All right, we are talking about the free, so I'm going to select the free. Start with a free site. Building your site is that simple. Applying designs and here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to name my site. My site title should be Danelli Digital. Site tagline should be Digital Hub. Digital Hub for all. You can select whatever name you need. Then with here you can add your logo, but for now I'm going to skip it, but you can add your logo from here. So you save settings, return back to my home. Now let's go to settings. Okay, first of all, let's go to appearance. I want to select some theme. You know, themes help your site to look nice, but before that, let me show you how the site looks like. Danelli Digital .wordpress.com. Alright, so here is it. Here's the site. I'm not yet done editing, so it's just blank. This is a blog right now. So then I want to select a theme. That is, if I don't like the previous theme that I saw there. So I'm going to go for let me search for something digital. Okay, cool. Let's go with this. Live demo. Alright, this is the theme we will be working with. So I'm going to activate, then head right to customize site. Alright, I hope you're following. This step is very simple. All you just need to do is just to pay attention to what I'm doing. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please kindly hit on the subscribe button to do so. And wherever you're finding difficulty, you can just leave your questions in the comment box and I will get right to you. Okay, so now this is the site, the unedited site. Like I said, WordPress is easy to use. It's just a drag and drop button. So as you can see from here, everything is just there, just for me to do some editing, and thereafter we will be done in no moment. So I would like to start from site identity, which is already set in place. If I want to set my site icon here, I'm going to put it footers credit, yeah, business. Okay, so it's very important that you put the credit here. Like you log in a website, at the footer, that is the bottom of the site, you're going to see the website name and the copyright, then the year. So if you want to put it, you put it, but if you want to hide it, you can hide. But you see, website powered by WordPress is for a free blog, but if you're using a professional blog, a paid website, you're going to have all these options for you. So let's go with website built with WordPress.com. Okay, I'm going to save changes. Let's preview. You've seen it here, website built with WordPress.com. So let's go on to make other editing, colors and background. I kind of like the color that I'm saying right here, so I'm not going to change it, but this is where you can make every change you need concerning your color and background. Apart from that, fonts. Okay, so for me, I just love the font that WordPress uses, so I don't think if I'll be needing anything to change in this font. But if you want to, you can change the headings and the base font here. Another thing is header image. Okay, so alright, I think I'm going to go with this one, and you see the image I just selected. If I want to change it, I can say this or this. You're saying that WordPress is very simple to use. You just click on it and you get it. But if I don't want to use it, I can just go back. Okay, so let's keep it at random and my suggested headers. No. Okay, let me just hide the image. Alright, I'm good with this. Now important part is your menu. Yeah, your menu. What's the menu? These are the menus. This place I see your home and blog. Those are menus. Okay, so let's say primary menu, you can add item. Alright, so to add, let's go with about, add, and okay, then contact. Okay, all right, so I'm going to save. So as you can see right here, home blog, oh shit, I made mistakes and I added 2 So I'll be removing this and save. There you. Alright, haven't done that and it's saved. So we're going to go back to setting up the widgets. So widgets, you know, whenever you open a site and you see, maybe by the right hand side you see recent posts, comments, RSS, about blog, added, footer, which is the bottom part of the blog. You see stuffs like recent post, you see phone numbers, address, email to contact the admin of the site. These are the functionalities of widgets. So let's see widgets footer 1. What can we add there? Okay, so you click on the block button and you search. So let's say I want to add subscribe button. I want to add this subscribe button. Okay, MailerLite, see MailChimp, subscribe, follow blog. Yeah, let's go with the MailChimp. Now before you go on to set up this MailChimp, you need the code. You know, that means you need to go right straight to MailChimp. MailChimp.com. You log in, you register, you set up everything, and once you're done, you copy the code right there and you bring it up here and put them here. But for now I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to remove it. Then okay, I would like to add up something for you to just see. Let's say I want to add contact and info. Yeah, alright, house and info. Yeah, so the address, let's say the address of my business is at number 131 Rock Street, Calabar, Cross River State. Please pardon, it's raining over here. Cross River State, which is in Nigeria, and my phone number is 09155847616. The email address yeah, so haven't done that. Let's take a look at the settings that we've done to see. Okay, yeah, look at it. We updated it and it's right here, number 31 Aurora Street, Calabar. You see, this is what we did and it's right here. You see. So let's move on to footer 2. In this area, I would like to set up menus, navigation menu. Let's see. Okay, so let me select. Okay, yeah, here it is. This is what we just did, and you can see it from here that is being displayed here. So let's move on to footer 3. Footer 3, I would like to set up let me say recent post. Okay, authors, let's go with recent posts. Yeah, all right, our footer is being set up. You can add more features to this. So I haven't done that. What's next? Homepage settings. Do you want your homepage to be static, or do you want your homepage to be showing your latest post? Static in the sense that I mean that if you want your homepage to be just like the design you've made it, this particular page, there's nothing, it will display just static. No, it will not be displaying your recent post. If you don't want to see, if your customers want to see your recent post, they have to go to the blog session. If you want that, you can just leave it as static. But if you want it to be displaying posts, your recent posts, like whenever they open, so then to go through the stress of opening your blog, they can see your recent post. You can just come through right here and make it to show your recent post. But me, I prefer to leave it as at a static page. Then if you want, then after that, my post page should be the blog. Like whatever post I make, where should they go into? Yeah, they should go right straight to the blog. So whatever thing I make, whatever post I come up with, will be here. All right. So let's go back. Then theme option. How many recent posts do you want to display? Like, since the theme that I used is a theme all about digital, that means digital marketing, which comprises of social media marketing, email marketing, and the likes. So whatever project I want to display on this blog, I can increase the number or I can decrease the number. Say I can increase it to 6, 9, but 3 is preferable. You'll be asking, where can you set up these projects? So let me show you. You have to go back. Remember, this is just for this theme alone, because this theme is all about digital marketing. So others, if you're setting up your blog using other themes, it won't be like this. So you have to come down to portfolio, projects, then you set up your archive here. We are not done with the settings. This is just me customizing the theme, not me editing the blog. Okay, so having done that, let's save changes. Okay, then I'll close and I'm going to refresh. All right, you see I'm not yet done, so the site is not yet launched. Remember, place, this should be the last stuff you do. Let's take a look. Okay, all right. So let's go to the plugins that I told you about. Remember when we started this class, I discussed about WordPress, the free blog, giving in plugins. So yeah, how can we set up plugins? All right, so let me go to plugins all about engagement. Since this, remember, I use the theme for digital marketing, so you're going to be seeing more of digital marketing stuff. All right, so let me set up add to any share button, whereby my users can easily share this plugin. But first of all, let me check if it is a free plugin. Okay, it's not a free plugin. I'm going to set it up when I upgrade this blog. Okay, let's go with the basics for now. Yeah, there's something that just caught to me that I would like to discuss. Okay, so now the pages. the home page, the blog, the contact, and the about. Let's say I want to edit this. You can easily edit your page by going to the option pages, select the page you want to edit, and you are good to go. Okay, so I'm going to skip this store, but if you want to, you can leave it. Now, how can I edit this stuff? How? Okay, so let's do it this way. You just click. It's as simple as that. Welcome to Daniele Digital Blog. So remember, I'm just writing whatever that comes to my head. Now the learn more, you can easily edit the link so that when they click on the learn more, it takes them directly to where you want to direct them to. So I want to direct them to my personal website, so I'm going to edit it to iamdaniele.com, which is my website. If you want them to open in a new tab, turn on this button, but if you don't want them to open it in a new tab, you can leave this button off. But I prefer the open in a new tab, so I'm going to leave it that way. Now if you want to change this picture, in case the image you are not okay with it, you can easily click on this place button here. Okay, or you go to your Google Photos, pardon me for a moment, let me set up this stuff. Wow, that's very bad. Okay, so let's check uploads. That's very bad. I don't have any recent picture here. Okay, let's use the media library then. And we wanted to use it, but let's use it. And it turns out, add new. Oh, okay. Let's say I want to add this. Once I'm done there, I can just come up here, and voila, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I've replaced the image to this. To return it back, I just have to open media library, go back, and click like right here. Yeah, so whatever I want to add or remove, I can easily do that. If I don't want this to be here, I can click here, remove block, and I'm done. Now if I want to introduce myself, whenever anyone log in, open the website, I can say, but I don't need it here, so I'm going to remove block, and it's done. So now let me show you. If you want to add any other stuff to your home page, click on this block, browse all. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I hope you're following. Okay, let me add YouTube to it. Okay, so now if I want to, let me go back to copy my YouTube link. Please bear. This is just one of my channel. Yeah, I hope you're seeing. Okay. I just need to copy and insert the link right here, embedding. So if I want to add another stuff, just need to browse all, still the same step. Okay. Donations. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Sorry about that. Alright, so I'm just gonna remove this block. Okay. Also, with this, I'm going to remove. Okay, so alright, so let me go with this. Contact form, appointment form, feedback form. Yeah. Good. That's cool. Then I'll update. Come back here. Refresh. That's good. That's good. Now it seems like the space between here to here is very far-fetched. So let's go on to edit more. Okay. Pardon me, please. All right. So having done that, we set up. Okay. So I hope you're following. Okay. Now, whenever you're done and you want to launch your site, just click here. Launch your site to the world. Okay. So you come down here and launch site. You click the launch site and escape purchase. You start with a free site and voila, your site is set up. So I'll be showing you how. Let's preview the site from here. Okay, this is it. This is the blog, this is the about, and this is the contact. You can go on to edit it yourself whenever you feel like. So the second aspect I'll be showing you is the blogspot.com. So just head down to blogspot.com. Shit. Blogger.google.com, please. Pardon me, I kind of like forgot it all. So now this is another free blog, but this is owned by Google and it's quite simple. So I'm going to sign in using my already existing email. Okay, choose your blog name. Let's go with digital word. Next, address digital word dot. So it's not available. So let's go for digital. African digital word. Rooms. Okay, it's available, so click on next, explaining. Click on finish. Now you need to start setting up. Now one of the things about Blogspot is that you can easily link it with Google AdSense to start earning. Okay, you can easily link it to Google AdSense to start earning. So let's start customizing. let me show you African Digital World blogspot.com. So this is a blog which is not yet customized, so let's go on to customize it. Alright. Come in, let me set up some few stuff. Alright, let's go on to setup. Okay, so first of all, let me use the theme. Transparent. No, yeah. Alright. Okay. Everything is okay here. So we just head on to layout. Like I said, you can easily set up AdSense right here, but there will be no need for that for now. Okay, so let's add more gadgets. Block search. Okay. Hold on, please. All right. Okay. Okay. I hope you're following. Hope you're following. Okay, so we're back. Sorry for the brief break. I mean, so once you're done with all of these, like as you can see, try and set up all of this. Let's reload to see what it's going to give to us. Alright, this is where you can easily just connect to your Google AdSense, like I told you. Connect to Google AdSense to start making money from it, which I said I will be treating that in the next class. You can just click on view blog here. There's nothing because we've not uploaded anything. Okay, it starts. So post. It's as simple as that, and you're done. But one thing that people find difficult is to be able to like customize a better blog. So I'll be showing you an example of a paid website. You see, then I'll be talking about the differences. So now this right here is a paid site, like you get domain and also you buy host and you set it up. So the difference is that this has unlimited services, while the free blog is limited. Okay, so with this you can access a whole lot. Take for example the shop, you can sell. So if you're thinking or if you're looking at selling your product with a blog, I would suggest you go right to getting yourself a paid website. Don't forget that a paid website also has an option for blog, yeah, but the difference is that this is unlimited. All these assets, all these services that you're seeing right here, you can't get them in the free blog. Actually, you can get this widget right here, this social widget that you're seeing here. You can get them here, but this widgets here, you can get them in a free blog. You can also design a free blog to look like this, these two, and this as well. You can do that, but you can't have your free blog to have something like this, and to some extent something like this. Okay, so now you'll be wondering why a free blog. Free blog saves you money. It saves you money, it saves you time. But along the line, whenever you feel like you want to go further, you want to upgrade, it's advisable you do that, so you can have limitless access to something like this. Okay, so as you can see from the WordPress and the Google blog, which is the Blogspot, that it actually took just few minutes to set up. It's as simple as that. So if you want to create a new post, you click there. Okay, let's talk about hello, we are practicing. Yeah, we are. Then I publish. This is my first blog post, so let's look at it. You see what we just did? This is just like an eye-opener. This is just something to like let you know more about how you can set up a blog. This isn't anything close to the actual class, so if you need a real class, you have to indicate, and aside indicating, you have to contact us for it. Remember, it is iamdanelli.com, and you can also check on LinkedIn. The I Am Danelli is spelled as IAMDANELI. On LinkedIn, it is I Am Danelli. On Instagram, it is IAM_Danelli. And please don't forget to follow Bongo Technology. Yeah, follow Bongo Technology and subscribe, where you'll be getting various updates. Okay, so I'll be running down like a summary of all what we've done, so you as well can make yourself can be acquainted with everything that we've done. So there's something that a lot of people, business owners, let's say kind of like mistakes that they go through, all on the name of taking their businesses online. Okay, so before you do that, you will have to like define your goals, define what you want, and apart from that, you will have to like know your audience. These are something that you need to do if you want to succeed, because a lot of people out there, they will just come up and say, I created a website and it's not giving me what I need, my expectation is not met. Yeah, that will be because you failed to define what you actually want. It's not all about putting up a beautiful blog or a beautiful website, then that guarantees your success rate online. No, it's not all about that. But you need to define your metrics. You need to define your audience, know the niche that you're into, know what it takes, and know who the people, your defined audience, what are their likes, what are they into. Apart from that, you have to make research concerning your market, like your competitors analysis, get to know what they're doing, get to know everything about the market, so you won't look like being different from the rest. Okay, so in the next class, we'll be treating into fully on how to design a world professional blog. Remember, I told you this is just like an introduction, so I just tried my best to like summarize and show you the interface between the two most popular blogging platforms. Although there are others like Wix, you can use Wix. There are others like Disha Pages. Okay, but I prefer Blogspot and WordPress. Blogspot in the sense that you can monetize it. Then WordPress in the sense that it has a user interface that anyone can easily understand. So when next you are thinking of going to create a blogspot or a blog or a website, when next you have in mind to do that, I would suggest you consider using WordPress. Consider using WordPress and Blogspot. Okay, it will actually help you. Apart from it helping you, it will do well in your business. It will give you a head start. Okay. So Alright, this is we've come to the end of the introduction to blogging. Remember, this is just an introduction. This is just like an eye-opener for you to know what you should be expecting, for you to know what you stand, what is ahead of you. Okay, so I would urge you all to please kindly subscribe to Bongo Technology and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Okay, so if you are still wondering how to set up a blog and how to go viral using your blogspot, how to be a professional, okay, so the next class is for you, and you wouldn't want to miss it. You wouldn't want to miss it for any reason. So what you need to do is get your fingers crossed and get ready for your coming. Remember, it is Bongo Technology. Subscribe to it. Thank you.